The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2013 through 2018 Toyota Rav4. Now, we've previously installed the Yakima JetStream TimberLine base rack system. If you want to see a video of just that, we'll put a link to it in the description below. But on top of that, we've installed the Yakima CBX 16 Rooftop cargo box. So this box is a really sleek, low profile and long box, so great for carrying gear that's longer like skis, maybe snowboards, but it can also handle general cargo like luggage and other gear. So the 16 is 16 cubic feet. It has ample room on the back to help clear most hatches. There's a way you can actually measure out your rack system beforehand in order to make sure you purchase the box is going to fit and clear everything. So again, 16 cubic feet, can handle skis up to 185 centimeters. See the dimensions here. Really easy to operate. Utilizes the Yakima SKS same key system, dual-sided opening. Has a really nice flat interior, so the mounting hardware is low profile, and there's a tool that you use to tighten it all up. So it actually has a preset torque, so you spin that tight and it'll click, kind of like your fuel cap. So then you know it's tight and ready to go. And once you're done with that, there's a place on both the passenger and driver side where you can stow your tool to make sure it doesn't walk away. So all you do is just simply get the hole and press it in, should snap into place. Again, dual-sided opening. It's a built-in safety feature. You can't remove the key until the lid's completely closed. So there's latch points at the ends and in the middle. Those need to be engaged, and then the release handle snaps up, and then you're able to turn the key to the lock position and remove. It's a really great, sleek, and rugged-looking box. One of our favorites. Anyway, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase these items, please visit our website with the links below. So that's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.